Installing a system I/O board or processor board. To install the system I/O board on the processor board, align the system I/O board with the connector on the processor board and use both hands to slightly insert the system I/O board into the connector. Lower the system board assembly onto the supporting sheet metal. Use a 5mm hex socket with a screwdriver to fasten the 2 hex nuts at the rear of the system I/O board. Fasten the 9 screws on the system board assembly with a PH1 screwdriver. Install the lifting handle with a PH2 screwdriver. Install the 5 guide pins using a 7mm hex socket with a screwdriver. Hold the 2 lifting handles and turn the system board assembly over. Fasten the 2 screws on the bottom of the supporting sheet metal with a PH1 screwdriver. Carefully turn the system board assembly back over. Install the cable wall bracket with a PH2 screwdriver. Install the 2 spacers on the processor board using an 8mm hex socket with a screwdriver. Note that the 2 spacers are a different shape. Make sure you install the spacers in the correct positions. One spacer has an indent at the bottom. Hold the 2 lifting handles and slide the system board assembly toward the rear of the chassis until it clicks into place. Make sure that the rear connectors on the system board assembly are inserted into the corresponding holes in the rear panel. Reinstall the following components. Install the air baffle. Install the top cover.